Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that ruins a car repair? Poor customer service. At Arts, we know you deserve respect and attention, and we deliver a service experience that makes you feel valued. Let me share a story about Maleek, a sales rep who came to us recently. His 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe had a scratched hood from a branch falling during a storm. Maleek was done with shops that ignored his calls or brushed off his concerns. Our team greeted him with a smile, walked him through every step, and provided regular updates. We fixed his Santa Fe flawlessly, and Maleek said, "Art's customer service was outstanding. I felt like a priority." Our secret? We listen, communicate clearly, and create a welcoming environment for every customer. From miter fixes to collision repairs, our Pomona shop pairs quality work with exceptional care, ensuring you leave happy. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're dedicated to service that matches our repairs. Ready for a shop that puts you first? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't put up with poor service. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodｙandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Service and quality you'll love.